pros and cons of living in Oklahoma City, and why this underrated heartland gem might shock your wallet. Many folks overlook the capital of Oklahoma, but the local spirit and affordability are truly standout. I will share a specific metric regarding the housing market that completely changed my view on moving. The cost of living here sits about 15% below the national average for the United States. Walking through the neighborhoods, I personally found homes that offered incredible value for families. Imagine earning $70,000 where your monthly mortgage payment stays under $1,000. Beyond the budget, access to quality healthcare and education systems remains a top-tier priority here. I stood in the downtown area for an hour just thinking about how much potential this city holds today. The culture is blooming with growth opportunities, making it a hotspot for ambitious young professionals. Traffic is almost non-existent compared to coastal cities, letting you reclaim hours of your own time. Remember that housing statistic from earlier? It turns out you get nearly double the space for the cost. When I visit the Cisortal Park, I felt a genuine sense of community that is hard to find elsewhere. Like any major city, you need to research specific areas because crime rates do fluctuate by district. The weather is the biggest trade-off, especially when tornado season arrives during the spring months. It makes me pause and reflect, is the risk of extreme storms worth the quiet and affordable lifestyle? You balance these concerns against a high happiness index, which reflects the warm and friendly people. Recent data suggests the city population will continue expanding as new businesses move into the area. Entertainment options range from professional basketball games to diverse and unique local restaurants. You find a blend of modern city living while maintaining the charm and comfort of a smaller community. Of course, the summers can be intense, with temperatures frequently climbing over 100 degrees. First, check the recent crime maps for the specific neighborhood you are considering moving into today. Second, visit during the summer months to see if you can handle the heat before signing any documents. Third, drive through the outskirts to gauge how the commute feels during the busy morning rush hours. Ultimately, you must decide if the trade-off between severe weather and low cost works for your life. Everyone defines a home differently, but peace of mind is often found in the most unexpected of places.